Hey guys, it's Jacob with Tandy Lab, and it's time for First Look. And today, we're going to be taking a first look at this Tandy 1000 RL. Let's get into it. The Tandy 1000 RL was released in late 1990 as Radio Shack's new entry-level Tandy system for home users and teachers. The RL's most notable change is the new compact fanless case and some major revisions to ports to better line up the system with IBM's XT and AT class systems, including new ports for the keyboard and mouse that physically resemble the PS2 standard but aren't 100% compatible, as well as including an XT hard disk controller on board and a single ISA slot on the back. The RL comes with 512 kilobytes of memory standard paired with a 9.5 megahertz 8086 CPU, which is a decent upgrade from the SL, but was pretty slow compared to newer and faster 286 and 386 systems. It's also missing an internal clock and battery, which is an odd cut, but helped justify the low starting price of $750 with a monochrome monitor, or $900 if you wanted color. Our system here was purchased on eBay for $75 and included absolutely nothing with it, not even a keyboard, and according to the serial number was the 1328th RL produced by Radio Shack. On the front of our machine, you can see the classic Tandy badge, the 3.5-inch drive, and the power button. Notice that the system is cleaned and has virtually no yellowing whatsoever. On the back, you can see the power input, serial port, TRS-80 joystick ports, headphone and mic inputs with a volume control, the CGA monitor port, printer port, keyboard and mouse ports, and the single expansion slot. Ours appears to be filled with an internal modem. We opened the hood of the RL to try to get some info on the modem, and it appears to be a third-party board made by a company called Kalex. We also discovered to our surprise that the system had a hard drive installed on it. The hard drive inside this is the standard 20 megabyte Seagate drive that came standard on the RL HD, or as an additional add-on you could purchase for your standalone RL. You may also notice that the top of the case has a definite bend to it that it shouldn't have. Possibly related to that is this dent on the top of the case that will need some work. Other than those two issues, the system looks great and only needs a light cleaning. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Be sure to be on the lookout for this RL in future videos on Tandy Lab, and I hope you're excited to see some of the other systems we are adding to our collection. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, check out our Facebook group, and all that stuff. Links in the description, and I hope you have a good day. I'll see you guys next time.